देखो हर चीज में रोना नहीं चाहिए because with every hard situation, bad situation, there's an amazing story that will come up. Waiting for people. So there was no electricity at home for almost a day now. कल रात से गई है और अभी तक नहीं आई है. Apparently some work that is happening. Ashu helped me charge the GoPro. Welcome to this brand new vlog. मेरा नाम है बिनी और this is probably going to be the next chapter, whatever chapter it is. This is going to be a travel vlog. So yes, कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम? धर्मशाला. The plan is to go to Dharamshala and Dharamshala is one of my favorite destinations, and every single time that I'm here in Himachal, I make sure that I at least give a visit. Yeah, let's just start this. So Dharamshala from here, if you go down from here, it's 6 kilometers. हम लोग 6 किलोमीटर ऑलरेडी ऊपर आ गए. थोड़ी आवाज़ भी कर रही है गाड़ी. So I think we'll just wait here for few minutes. वो बोलते हैं ना कभी कभी लोगों की नज़रें भी बहुत ख़राब होती है. So I think there is some issue with the car. I think there's some issue with the clutch plate. So we are now trying to figure what to do. अटके हैं मकलोडगंज से 3 किलोमीटर पहले और धर्मशाला से 6 किलोमीटर बाद. And that, my friend, somewhere there, right there, if you can see, that is where Dalai Lama temple is. But फिलहाल we're just waiting for somebody to come and help, because this is literally some jungle area. देखो हर चीज में रोना नहीं चाहिए because with every hard situation, bad situation, there's an amazing story that will come up. Waiting for people. So किसी तरह से गाड़ी चालू हो गई है. We are now heading towards McLeodganj. We'll see. The clutch is still very loose, but the car is now kind of rolling. अब देखते हैं कितना जाती है, and then we'll figure out if we find a mechanic or somebody. We'll show it right there as well. Not a bad story. Not a bad story. Finally, just somehow managed to park the car. अब वापस ठंडी होने देंगे because लग रहा है कि clutch गर्म होना शुरू हो गया था. तो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक अ वाइल जस्ट टू कीप इट हियर. भागशुनाग अंदर दर्शन करके आएंगे और फिर वापस देखते हैं क्या करेंगे. बट या सो फार सो गुड. सी आई एम अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ धर्मशाला एंड मकलोडगंज. आई जस्ट समहाउ नेवर वांट टू मिस इट. ये वादियाँ ही बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है. मम्मा कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस?
एक्सपीरियंस थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया.
नहीं हुआ,
ने थोड़ा तंग कर दिया. चलो ओके चलता है.
मस्त है, सब चिल्ड आउट है. It's amazing. Life is great. But I think because of COVID and the scare that people have, I don't see a lot of people here. But the beauty of this place is not because of the people, it's just because the way it is. But only if you guys remember, last time we came to that place right there, and that right there is Bhagshunaag waterfall. We normally walk all the way up there, but then we're also hungry, so we're going to have our lunch. But look at this, it's just so beautiful, man. We are at Sandy's Kitchen. It's a beautiful property. It's a rooftop.
It is selfie queen.
So we're just chilling. We just ordered lunch, and man, this is amazing, man. Just to sit here and have food
वैसे बड़ी है
is really good, really good. So I ordered some chicken chow mein, which looks like Hakka noodles though. Mama is having veg, and for now I don't find this very interesting. So देखते हैं बाकी सब चीज़ें कैसी है. And this is how the chicken biryani looks like here. Like मेरे को लगता है चिकन ग्रेवी और राइस को मिक्स कर दिया है बस. Quite disappointed, I must say.
पानी वानी तो दे दिए.
पानी बोतल? अरे यार नॉर्मल पानी भी दे दो, पानी तो दे दो. तुमने उसको रखा भी इसलिए होगा, कोई पूछे ही नहीं उसको. ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन ही ना करे.
पानी बोतल दे दो.
मैं दे दो बस, कुछ भी दे दो, अब पानी पीने के लिए दे दो बस. And some chicken momos as well. Let me try this. I am disappointed. If at all you guys are planning to come to Sandy's Kitchen, I would not recommend it at all. Quite disappointed with Sandy's Kitchen. I would absolutely not recommend you guys to come here and eat. So now we're hoping that the car is working fine. Clutch को enough time मिल गया हो ठंडा होने के लिए, and then we can proceed further as well. I think we're planning to go to Dalai Lama Temple, and from there शायद shopping भी करेंगे थोड़ी बहुत, because धर्मशाला आके shopping करने में मज़ा तो आता है. यहाँ पहाड़ों में भी लोगों ने 4-4, 5-5 फ्लोर के घर तो बना ही लिए हैं. And I don't know if the ground can really take that much weight, but amazing man. चाबी मेरे पास ही है. हाँ.
का नाम बोल के
गणपति का नाम बोल के.
विघ्नहर्ता वक्रतुंड महाकाय.
तो
हे भगवान
का नाम लेके
ओम गणेशाय नमः.
ओम गणेशाय नमः. ऐसा तो ठीक ठाक लग रही है. Awesome, sounds good, looks good, and awesome. उठ भी गई. Super. With my two favorite travel partners. So हम लोग अब भगवान का नाम लेके निकल गए हैं, और होपफुली अभी गाड़ी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं देगी. मैं क्लच पे बहुत ज़्यादा पैर नहीं लगा रहा हूँ, तो बस अभी पॉजिटिविटी से नीचे उतर जाएं. दैट्स अबाउट इट. Hyundai service station right now. I think there's some problem with the clutch जो हम लोग expect कर रहे थे, लेकिन शायद clutch plate चली गई. आप बोल रहे हो तो it has been a very eventful day. Clutch plate चली गई है ऐसा बोला है, and it's an expense of about 10 grand, 10,000. कल मेरे को वापस लेके आना है, and then they'll fix it. For now we're out from here. Good morning everyone, and this is in continuity of last night. तो भगवान का नाम लेके गाड़ी शुरू करते हैं. Congratulations. So there is a service station about 5 kilometers from my place. We've just come there. They are going to check the car now, probably the clutch and accelerator and the tuning between both of them, and then decide what we do. But this is a huge setup, huh? And fortunately they do all the cars. So we'll show it here once, and then see how it goes. If not, then Hyundai service station to hey. Well, it's quite hard to find parts of all of these big cars in Himachal usually, but then now that we figured that we can manage it, we are going to get it sorted now. These guys are looking for the clutch plate, pressure plate, and bearing. If bearings are okay, they won't change it. This is the clutch plate. As you can see, this is leather basically. बुरी तरह से जल गई है ये. This is a pressure plate. और ये बेसिकली दोनों सेट की तरह ही आते हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली दोनों चेंज करने पड़ेंगे. वी आर नॉट चेंजिंग द बेयरिंग्स, और तब तक हम लोग खाना भी खा के आ जाएंगे, एंड दीज गाइज विल हैव लंच एज वेल. See, one great thing about Himachal is these workshops, when they don't have parts, they call it from nearby distributors. वो सब सामान पहुंचता भी कैसे है, वो लोग बस वालों को दे देते हैं वहाँ पे, randomly किसी भी बस वाले को दे देंगे, एंड वो आके कहीं मिडवे पहुँचा देगा जहाँ पे आपका बंदा जाके कलेक्ट कर लेगा. So that you don't really have to go all the way, and I don't think they charge extra for that. This is more like this community service that you do, which I think is a great thing. Anyways, so this is going to take time, about 4 or 5 hours to repair this. So what we're planning to do is go home and lunch करके वापस आएंगे. तब तक ये लोग गाड़ी भी सेट कर लेंगे, या तो लिफ्ट लेंगे या तो फिर बस लेंगे यहाँ से. A bus ride after a very long time. आपके लिए भी है?
Yeah, long time.
Very long time. But now
I don't remember when I traveled last.
बस में फैसिलिटीज सब अवेलेबल हैं गांव में, बस की ज़रूरत क्या है. Well, we got to know that the plates that they got did not fit, so apparently they are bringing the different plate, and we are planning to go there now, inspect ourselves. क्लच प्लेट जो लेके आए थे वो छोटी थी, so apparently they went back again, got the original set, and hopefully ये ख़त्म हो जाना चाहिए जल्दी. That is something that we are looking at. The work is on, and that's a scene. You know what? I've realized life is beautiful in the mountains, but it's not really easy. You really have to go find things if you really need luxury. जैसे मुझे अभी भी मज़ा आता है मैं जब औरतों को देखता हूँ जब वो पानी लेने जा रही होती हैं, अभी भी मटके भर के और घड़े भर के घर पे पानी पीने का पानी लेके आती हैं. तो ये सब चीज़ें अमेजिंग है, बट इट इज़ अ वेरी हार्ड लाइफ मैन. इट्स ब्यूटिफुल बट हार्ड. ये कौन है आपके फ्रेंड? We were together in Bombay, and we thought just catching up with him. So yep, that is Ved uncle ji, and both dad and him, they used to be together in Bombay. So basically meeting him for the first time, and dad was like, I want you to come and introduce you, so here we are. So just leaving from here, it was great meeting dad's old friend. Just their love for each other is crazy. Well, looks like the work is done. We'll just go check with what are the damages. Cool, just took the test drive and drives perfect. Thank you, Sardar ji. All right then, just done. Great job, yeah, these guys. And also fortunately it's very close to our place, about 4 kilometers from our place. So dad has found another place for his car to be serviced now. He's in the car, and this is what it is. End of this vlog. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and फैलाओ यार, अब तो सीरीज कर रहे हैं, फैलाओ सीरीज पे सीरीज. Take care guys, see you on the other one.